Hey everybody, this is Family League with Mr. Kabbalah. Today I'm going to talk about basic writing skill focusing on sentence errors, particularly what run-on sentence and how we are going to correct run-on sentence. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. This is my contact address and thanks those who always watch my YouTube and try to give some important comments. So let me start please. This is run on by self is a kind of sentence error which affects for clarity of sentence, or a sentence which has a meaning can be affected by run-on sentence. Exactly, can be affected. So run-on sentence by self is two main clauses or two independent clauses cannot be separated by any kind of punctuation mark. That's an example of run-on sentence. If two main clauses doesn't or do not separate by any kind of punctuation mark, they do not convey complete meaning. They are senseless sentence. Alright, they are senseless. What I want to say here is, if and only if the sentence we can be punctuated with the types of punctuation mark, they will give meaning, isn't it? If things which are beyond this, which mean that if there is no any kind of punctuation mark, they're nonsense sentence. Okay, nonsense, a meaningless sentence. So no one can get anything from the sentence. So the best way actually to identify is the following strategies. That's what I will say about run-on sentence. Alright, and የተሟላ ትርጉሙን ሊሰጥ የሚችል አረፍተ ነገር ከሚያበላሹት አንዱ run-on sentence ነው። run-on sentence ማለት ሁለት main clauses ወይም independent clauses በራሳቸው ቆመው ትርጉም ሊሰጡ የሚችሉ አረፍተ ነገሮች ምንም አይነት በመካከላቸው punctuation mark ወይም ስርዓተ ነጥብ ሳይኖራቸው ሲቀር የሚሰጡት ትርጉም የለም። ኦኬ፣ ሁለቱም አረፍተ ነገሮች እንደ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ነው፣ ግን ሊገልጹ የሚችሉት ሐሳብ የተለያየ ነው። ምናልባት አንዱ ሪዘልት ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አንዱ ሪዝን ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አንዱ ኮንሲኩዌንስ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አንዱ ኔጌቲቭ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ አንዱ አዲሽናል ሐሳብ ሊሆን ይችላል። ከመጀመሪያው ሐሳብ ጋር የተጣረሰ ሐሳብ ይዘው ስለሚሄዱ የሚሰጡት ትርጉም የተዛባ ይሆናል። ስለዚህ እነሱን ነው የምናየው። run-on sentence ጽንሰ ሐሳቡ ይሄ ነው። ኦኬ፣ two independent clauses cannot be separated with any kind of punctuation mark. So we can say that run-on sentence. We simply identify whether the sentence is run-on sentence or not, because whenever we read the sentence, it doesn't give sense because we have two different sentences in a given sentence structure, right? One thing. And the other thing, whenever you read it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, still we haven't got any meaning from that sentence because there is a problem with the sentence, isn't it? There is a problem. So the key strategy to identify here is we read the sentence and what's the problem behind it and how can you correct it. That's the way you'll implement in correcting foreign sentence. This too while you are writing for paragraph writing or maybe essay writing. Not only on that way, if you are intended to write about complex sentence, maybe compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence, these things are very important. We consider sentence errors, okay? All the sentence errors, especially run-on sentence, fragments, misplaced, dangane, pronoun antecedent, subject-verb agreement, problem, and schema splice. We consider of if you want to write an effective writer. This is true for to those who want to improve or develop your writing skill. Please, thank you. Please let me start. What's run-on sentence? I try to give explanation, and the next thing is I'm going to give examples for each, and you practice. I hope you'll improve for your writing skills. Nice, please. There are two main types of run-on sentence. Definition ለማብራራት ሞክሬያለሁ። ሁለት አይነት run-on sentence አሉ። አንደኛው fused sentence ነው። ሁለተኛው comma splice ነው። fused ማለት ሁለት ራሳቸውን የቻሉ ክሎዞች ምንም አይነት punctuation mark ሳይኖራቸው ሲቀር fused ይባላሉ። fused ማለት attached ማለት ነው። right? fixed ማለት ነው። No difference between the two clauses here. Already they act as one independent clause. Yes, act የሚያደርጉት ልክ እንደ አንድ main clause ነው። ስለዚህ fused sentence አንዱ types of run-on sentence ነው። ሁለተኛ comma splice ነው። Comma splice is types of run-on sentence because we have two independent clauses and which can be separated by a comma, which we use is wrong use of comma actually. Yeah, comma splice ማለት ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞች ወይም ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ምንም አይነት ኮማ ያስፈልጋቸውም በመካከላቸው ላይ ካስፈልጋቸው እንኳን ፔሪድ ነው አይደለ? ነገር ግን ኮማ ተጠቅሞ መለየት መቻል። ኮማ ያለ ቦታው ሲገባ አረፍተ ነገሩን ምን ያደርገዋል? run on sentence ያደርገዋል። ወይም comma splice is a kind of run on sentence. comma splice totally comma splice wrong use of comma. wrong use of comma ማለት ልክ እንዳልኳቸው የማያስፈልጋቸው ቦታ ላይ ኮማን መጠቀም ኢንኬዝ እንኳን ኮማ የምንጠቀም ከሆነ there is a need of coordinating conjunction. ያ ለምሳሌ እነዚህ for and yet so የምንላቸው coordinating conjunctionዎችን አስከትለን መሄድ እንችላለን ኮማ የምንጠቀም ከሆነ። ነገር ግን without any coordinating conjunction we cannot insert a comma between two main clauses that make the sentence run-on sentence. Definitely please. Yeah, that's what I say about run-on sentence. የተግባባን ይመስለኛል። ይሄ ነው። ስለዚህ ሁለቱ fused sentence and comma splice they are types of run-on sentence ብለን ነው የምንጠራቸው። Let me give you examples please here. Type 1 fused sentence, no punctuation here. No punctuation. Yes, ምንም fused sentence ማለት እዚህ ጋር ለምሳሌ አሳያችሁ። My car wouldn't start. Look here. My car wouldn't start. Look here. ስታረቡ ዝም ብላችሁ እስኪዩት። My car wouldn't start. I called a town truck. Do you get anything from this sentence? ትርጉም አለው? No meaning at all. Senseless, meaningless sentence here. So yeah, right. We think of there are two main clauses here, of course, but it cannot be separated with any kind of punctuation, of course. So I can just correct it. Before I'm going to correct this sentence, we think of what strategy do I employ to correct this wrong sentence. ከማስተካከል በፊት ይሄን አረፍተ ነገር ላስተካክል የሚችልባቸው መንገዶች ምንድናቸው? ስለዚህ ምንድነው? My car wouldn't start and main clause አለኝ. I called, let me underline it or highlighted it please. This is a kind of place. Yeah, this is a kind of, look here, and main clause ማለት ነው. There is also another main clause here. There is also another main clause here. Look, another main clause. So this cannot be separated by a comma. Let me just check it ላድርገው አሁን እንደገና. Let me adjust it please. Yeah, look here. My car wouldn't start. Yeah, my car wouldn't start. Look here. Yes, period. I called a town truck. Yes, I called a town truck. One way. The other way please. The other way, like this. እንደዚህ ያመጣዋለሁ ከሆነ ሰዓት ለመቆጠብ ይንጠቀማል። ያ I can put a semicolon, like a semicolon, please. No semicolon, no semicolon. Anyway, I can just put a semicolon here, not actually, and I called, yeah, I called a town truck. Yeah, and finally I put a full stop here. አሁን ሐሳቡን አገኛችሁ ነው። Yes, my car wouldn't start, semicolon. I called a town truck. Another ways of correcting this run-on sentence. Actually we have 5 ways. ከአምስቱ መንገዶች የተወሰኑትን ነው ማሳየት የምፈልገው። Yes, ስለዚህ ምንድነው ማድረገው? My car wouldn't start. I called the town truck ማለት እችላለሁ። Yes, ስለዚህ period plus the second letter, so it should be capitalized. One thing. The other, we put a semicolon between two clauses because it identifies short relative clauses with semicolon. ሁለተኛው run-on sentence የምናስተካክልበት መንገዳችን ነው። ስለዚህ በዚህ መልኩ አስተካክለዋለሁ ማለት ነው። ሌላ መንገዶችን መጠቀም ይችላል። እዚህ ጋር ያሳያለሁ please. Second one please here. She loves to read. Her favorite author is ኃይለ ማርያም. She loves to read. yeah, her favorite author is እዚህ ጋር her favorite author is author ነው የሚዋራው እዚህ ጋር ማንበብ እንደምትወድ ነው የሚገዛው የተለያየ ሐሳብ አለ ስለዚህ ይሄ run on sentence ነው ምንም ትርጉም የለውም መግለጽ የሚፈልገው ነገር አልገለጸም ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብኝ እንዴት ላስተካክለው እችላለሁ ምን አይነት coordinating conjunction ያስፈልጉኛል ምን አይነት subordinate conjunction ያስፈልጉኛል ምን አይነት conjunctive adverbs ያስፈልጉኛል I think of this and then I start to correct it please she loves look here she loves to read she loves period yeah and then her favorite her favorite author her favorite author is her favorite author I can say it author is Haile Mariam yeah ይኸው ጨረስን one way place here she loves to read period and the second letter should be capitalized her favorite author is Haile Mariam corrected አብዚት አሁን ራሱን የቻለ ተረጋጋጉት ትርጉም እንዲኖረው ሆነ ማለት ነው ካስፈለገ ደግሞ so and look here she loves to read look she loves to read like this and comma look and her favorite ብዬ ቀጥላለሁ please her favorite ይሄው ጨረስኩ look here ይሄ ነው ሐሳቡን ይዩት she loves to read comma and one of the coordinating conjunction which is appropriate to join these ideas yeah she loves to read and her favorite author is Haile Mariam another way please if you want to put a semicolon between the two main clauses of course if you want to put any kind of subordinating conjunction between the two main clauses that's also another way of correcting but what I want to say here is what is run-on sentence yeah እሱ ነው ማሳየት የፈለኩት እንዴት run-on sentence ሆነ እንዴት ላስተካክለው እችላለሁ አሁን በመናየው መንገድ ልናስተካክል እንችላለን come on please number 3 አሁን የምናየው የመጀመሪያውን አረፍተ ነገር ነው fused sentence ማለት እዚህ ጋር የተቀመጡት ናቸው right fused they touch together so yes right the sun is high look here one main clause here the sun is high and the main clause here put some sunscreens yes another ይኸው ሁለቱ main clauses እነዚህ ናቸው so ከለየው በኋላ ምንድነው ማድረጋቸው the sun is high yeah and so puts yes so full stop እዚህ ጋር ከተባለ full stop this must be capitalized put on your sunscreen and then a period here the sun is high full stop period put on your sunscreen capitalized correct sentence two main clauses ሆነ ካስፈለገ the sun is high and put on your sunscreen or I can put a semicolon here ካስፈለገ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ልክ the sun is high like this please ሁለተኛው መንገድ ነው ማሳያችሁ the sun is high then yeah semicolon put no capitalize here put on your sunscreen the last one put a period please here another way of correcting this run-on sentence with a semicolon because the two main clauses are short coordinate clause ናቸው እነዚህ of course here another ሌላ መንገድ አለኝ I can just use appropriate coordinating conjunction and join it all right also another way please በቀላል መንገድ ግን run-on sentence እንደዚህ ማስተካከል እንችላለን nice the second type of run-on sentence is the comma splice ማለት በሁለቱ ክሎዞች መካከል main clause መካከል ኮማን መጠቀም ነው ያ ማለት ደግሞ ምን ማለት ነው just right look here ምን ማለት ነው the two main clauses stand by themselves and convey meaning main clause ስንል በራሳቸው የቆሙ ትርጉም በራሳቸው ያላቸው ሰው ምንም ኮማ አያስፈልጋቸውም ማለት ነው ኦኬ ኮማ አያስፈልጋቸውም ኮማ የሚያስፈልገው እኮ ለመለየት እንፈልግ ነው አይደል it's no one of the use of comma to separate two main clauses exactly ልክ ነው የኮማ አንዱ አገልግሎቱ main clauses መለየት አይደለም ወርድስ ተከታትለው ሲመጡ እንለይበታለን ዲፔንደንትን ከኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ለመለየት ኮማ እንጠቀም in this case no comma is needed so is a kind of comma splice wrong use of comma please yeah so it's raining we should cancel the picnic yes right It's raining. We should cancel the picnic. Is there any need of comma here? It's raining. One main clause here. It's raining. One main clause here. Here's key. Russian each other main clause wala. And we should here. We should cancel the picnic. Is also another main clause. So what's the use of comma here? No comma is required, please here. ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብኝ? I can just use one of the ways of correcting because yeah. Because it is raining because it is raining. Okay, it is raining, comma, we should cancel the picnic. Yeah, the picnic. Yes, the picnic, exactly this. Right, yeah, look here, it's raining. Yes, it's raining. It's raining. Because it's raining, we should cancel the picnic. Because it's raining, because it's raining is a dependent clause. Okay, dependent clause please. This is we should cancel the picnic. This is a main clause, please. Main clause. So ምን ሆነ ማለት ነው? በኮማ ላይ ይወጥ ኮማ የሚያስፈልገው ይሄ ነው። This one is dependent clause, whereas this one is an independent clause. So there must be a need of comma. አንድ ማስተካከያ መንገድ ነው. Another way, look here. It is raining. It is raining, period. Look here. We should cancel the picnic. Yeah. Picnic. Nice. This also another way, please. It's raining. We should cancel the picnic. Period and capitalize here. Right? Nice. Question number 2. Question number 2. I was late for work. My alarm didn't go off. I was late. I was late for work. My alarm didn't go off. Yeah, right. I was late, so there is a problem here. So look here. Because yeah, I was late. Look, that's sakalo. I was late to work for work. Yes, because lalo ziga, because the alarm, my alarm didn't go off. Yeah, nice, please. Didn't my alarm, yeah, didn't go off. Nice. Didn't go off. Yeah. Look here. I was late to work here. I was late to work. One week because ለምንድን ነው የተዘግይቻለሁ? Because my alarm didn't go off. Exactly. Reason is ነው ይሄ። ስለዚህ this is also another kind of clause, so I can separate this with. ስለዚህ ኮማ ያስፈልገኝ subordinate conjunction ነው። ካስፈለገ I was late to work, full stop, my alarm didn't go off ይቻላል። and put semicolon በሁለቱ መካከል መጠቀም እችላለሁ. Nice. This also another example because look here at the first, these two clauses are comma splice problems. It's a kind of run-on sentence. It's a kind of run-on sentence. Next one, please. Next one. ሁለተኛውን sentence ይዩት. He didn't study for the test. He still got an A, please. Look here. He didn't study for the test. He still got an A. Yes. አሁን እዚህ ጋር ኮማ ስፕላይስ ነው። ሜን ክሎዝ ናቸው ሁለቱ። ነገር ግን ኮማ ተጠቅማ። ስለዚህ እንዴት አድርጌ ላስተካክለው? Yes, he didn't. Look here. He didn't study for the test. Yeah. Study for the test here. So look here. He will just what? He will get. He still got an S. An A. Nice. ጨረስን ያው he didn't study for the test though he still got an A. ለፈተናው አላጠናም ነበር ይሁን እንጂ ፈተናውን A አምጥቶታል because ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው። ይሄ ምንድነው though subordinating conjunction yes ቅድም ተናግሬያለሁ። ከአራቱ መንገዶች አንዱ appropriate የሆነ subordinating conjunction በመጠቀም run-on sentence ማስተካከል እንችላለን። ካልሆነ እንደገና ምን ልናደርገው እንችላለን? look here ይሄን እንዳላስቀምጠውና look and put here but ብላችሁ you can write just like this. Yeah, full stop here. He didn't study for the test, but he still got an A. ሀሳቡ ተመሳሳይ ነው. This is coordinating conjunction and this is subordinating conjunction, of course. Another way መጠቀም እንችላለን. Look here and put a semicolon here. ይኸው put a semicolon. ሀሳቡን ውሰዱት please. You can just correct on this way. We have three ways of correcting at ለማሳየት የፈለኩ ሶስት መንገዶች ተጠቅመን ይሄን ሀሳብ ማስተካከል እንችላለን. Of course. Nice. This is the second types of run-on sentence, which is comma splice, please. Yeah. Nice. How to create run-on sentence? በጥቅሉ እንዴት እናስተካክላለን? ቅድም ልክ እንዳልኩት አንደኛው መንገዳችን ሰፓሬት ማሳየት ስለፈለኩ አንደኛው መንገዳችን use a period. Yes. ለምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌ ስጣችሁ. I was late to work. I was late to work. I didn't wake up early. Yeah, wake up early. Yes. ይኸውላችሁ sentence ጋር ነው. Yes, I was late to work. I didn't wake up early. ሁለት ሜን ክሎዞችን ክሬት አደረኩ. ይሄ ምንድናቸው? They are called run-on sentence ናቸው ወይም fused እንላቸዋለን. fused ነው የምትሏቸው. ስለዚህ ምንድነው የምናደርገው አሁን ይሄን create use a period at the end of the sentence. ጨረስኩ ይሄው አስተካከልኩት. በቃ use a period. I was late to work. I didn't wake up early and the first letter should be capitalized. This is አንድ የማስተካከያ መንገዳችን ይሄ ነው please. ይሄ ካስፈለገ ደግሞ ሁለተኛው መንገድ እዚህ ጋር አሳይ ይችላል። ያ አንደኛው መንገድ look here. second period ተጠቀሙ ነው. yes ሁለተኛው አሳያለሁ። ይሄ period ተጠቅመን ለዚህ ማስተካከል እንችላለን. ሁለተኛው መንገዳችን use a semicolon between two main clauses. Exactly. Use a semicolon to identify the two main clauses. ሁለተኛው ማስተካከያ መንገዳችን ማለት ነው semicolon ተጠቀምበት. The structures are short, coordinate, related clause መሆን መቻል። ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ የሚገልጹ related የሆነ ሐሳብ የሚገልጹ መሆን መቻል እንዳለባቸው ነው እዚህ ጋር ማሳየው. So that's please ይሄ የመጀመሪያው ጉዳይ ነው. Another example here is semicolon ለምሳሌ ልጠቀም ይችላል እዚህ ጋር. Yeah, I studied hard. Yes. And I was successful. Yes, right. I studied hard. I was successful. It's actually run-on sentence. So I want to create this sentence by putting a semicolon here. በቃ semicolon እዚህ ጋር ከተኩት አረፍተ ነገሩን አስተካከልኩት። ሁለተኛው የማስተካከያ መንገዳችን በሁለቱ ክሎዞች መካከል ምን መክተት ነው? semicolon. They have the same meaning with the first one, please. Yeah. ከመጀመሪያው ጋር ምንም የተጣረተ ልዩነት የላቸው አንድ አይነት ናቸው. Ways of creating semicolon, please here. semicolon ተጠቀሙ. yes ተጠቀሙ ማስተካከል እንችላለን. Another way here is use a comma and coordinating conjunction. The fun ways: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and. So fun ways, yeah. Use what was the coordinating conjunction and carry the comma splice, please. በዚህ መልክ ነው። ለምሳሌ I went for shopping. ይሄው just ለምሳሌ ይሄን ሐሳብ ተመልከቱ. I went for shopping. I bought nothing. Do you get anything from this sentence? Nothing actually. I went for shopping. I bought nothing. So how can you just correct it? What kind of coordinating conjunction is important here? ሁለቱ ሐሳቦች ምንድነው የሚያያይዛቸው? በምንድነው የማያይዛቸው? የሚሆነ ነገር ይፈልጋሉ። ሐሳቡን መለየት ነው። ስለዚህ I went for shopping. But I bought nothing. Yeah, I bought nothing here. ይሄው ጨረስን. I went for shopping. One ቅድም የጻፍነው ሐሳብ. And but what? But I bought nothing, which is a kind of punctuation mark, a kind of coordinating conjunction, which is called በእንለዋለን ይሄን. But I bought nothing, coordinating conjunction ሁለቱን ሐሳቦች እንደዚህ ያያያዘ ማለት ነው. Yes. ለምሳሌ I bought books. and what? And I read them. Yeah, this is right. You can just use these ways to create about one run-on sentence using a kind of coordinating conjunctionist. Yes, a kind of conjunctionist. ለምሳሌ ምሳሌዎችን መጨመር ይችላል of course። ሌላው አራተኛው ማስተካከያ መንገዳችን ምንድነው? use subordinating conjunctions ነው የሚላችሁ። ያ what are subordinating conjunctions? Yes, adverbs of contrast, also even also adverbs of time when before after since, of course as, adverbs of reason as, because, since, adverbs of comparison, condition, exactly. All right, እነዚህን the 7 types of subordinating conjunction በመጠቀም run-on sentence ወይም types of comma splice ማስተካከል እንችላለን ነው። we don't have only one kind of correcting the run-on sentence አንድ አይነት ብቻ አይደለም። ለምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌ እሰጣለሁ እዚህ ጋር yes yeah so for example one sentence yes ለምሳሌ she was ill, she didn't yes, for instance here, go to college. Look this idea please. Yeah, she was ill, she didn't go to college. One wrong sentence. So here has ሳሳገው because she was ill, then put she didn't go to college. She didn't go to college. Yes, she didn't go to college. ይሄን ሐሳብ ተመልከቱ እስኪ። because she was ill. ለምንድን ነው ኮሌጅ ያልሄደችው የነበረው? because she was ill. The reason behind here is she was ill. አምባት ነበር ነው አይደል? ስለዚህ she didn't go to college. Another example please. ስለዚህ a kind of punctuation mark ስንጠቀም subordinating ስንጠቀም ይሄን ሐሳብ እናያለን። college, yeah, college here. Right examples please. Let me give you another example here. The third example maybe he had all the necessary qualifications. He didn't get a job. Yes, he didn't get a job. Look here in ሐሳብ he had all the necessary qualifications. He didn't get a job. Yes, አያችሁ እዚህ ጋር ይሄን ሐሳብ no meaning at all because no punctuation mark here. So I can write it just like this. Although ብዬ ጀምራለሁ. Yes, although he had all the necessary qualifications, then I can put a comma. He didn't get a job. Yeah, look here. I can complete just like this please. ይሄ በዚህ መልኩ አስተካክልኩት please. So this one comma, yes, there's a comma here. This is although he had all the necessary qualifications, he didn't get a job. ስለዚህ this is called subordinate ነው የምትሉት ይሄን ያ subordinate ነው የምትሉት ይሄን is a kind of subordinate conjunction. The second one is main or independent clause. ስለዚህ አራተኛው መንገዳችን appropriate የሆነውን conjunction በመጠቀም run-on sentence ማስተካከል ትችላላችሁ። ሁለት ምሳሌዎችን ተመልከቷቸው እዚህ ጋር the first one is reason, second one is contrast. Actually contrast. ይሄን ማስተካከል ስፈልግ ደግሞ የመጀመሪያውን ሰው እየገልጸዋል ማነው ፎርም እየገልጸዋል። ለምሳሌ she was ill for she didn't go to work. Oh no, she didn't go to work for she was ill. Like this. ይሄን እንደዛ አድርጌ ልጻፈው she didn't go to college. She didn't go to college, comma, for she was ill. Appropriate. The same idea here. For she was ill. Yes, for she was ill. ስኬና ሐሳብዩት ይሄ የመጀመሪያው ሐሳብና ሁለተኛው ሐሳብ ተወሰነ ናቸው። ለምንድነው ኮሌጅ ሄዳ ያልነበረው? because for ማለት reason ማለት ነው የሚገልጽ አይደል? because she was ill አምባት ነበር. but the difference is There is no any dependent clause in the second case, yes, and there is a dependent clause in the first case, yes, but the idea is the same. But the idea is him look in the Sakra. He had all the necessary qualifications, but he didn't get the job. He didn't get the job under that, of course. They have the same meaning, please. The other one is here. አንደኛው ምንድነው የሚላችሁ አምስተኛው መንገዳችሁ the fifth way አምስተኛው መንገድ which is called make one clause dependent on another. Use a semicolon with a conjunctive adverbs ነው the five ways. አምስተኛው መንገድ. There is also another ways of creating their own sentence. One is you know what conjunctive adverbs? Conjunctive adverb የምንላቸው እነዚህ discourse markers የምንላቸው ናቸው. Addition, reason, result, and also comparison, condition እነዚህን የሚገልጹ conjunctive adverb ናቸው ግን they are functioning as a conjunctive. They are preceding with semicolon and comma. semicolon እና ኮማን አስከትሎ የሚሄዱ ከሌሎቹ አያያዥ ቃሎች የሚለዩ conjunctive adverbs እንላቸዋለን. conjunctive adverbs እንላቸዋለን. so ለምሳሌ አንድ ምሳሌ ለምሳሌ just yeah another example for a sentence which can be combined with conjunctive adverbs. yes, ለምሳሌ their father died. yes, their father died. the families faced yeah economical hardships. ይሄን ሀሳብ ይዩት please. economic hardships yeah. The families died. Their father died. The families faced economical hardships. Of course, this is called run-on sentence. I can correct using one of the appropriate conjunctive adverbs, and I can just and it will give us meaningful sentence. That's sure. Like this. Their father died. Yeah, their father died. Then semicolon. Consequently, and I can put a comma. The families faced economic hardships. Yeah, economic hardships, and I put a period here. Look here. እዚህ ጋር ተመልከቱ እንደገና የቅድም ሳሳክረው the first case here no. This is a kind of what's called conjunctive adverbs. Yeah, conjunctive adverbs here because this is a result. Okay, this is a result. This is a semicolon, please don't forget it. Semicolon. This is a semicolon. Yeah, the father died. Nice. Dies. Yeah, right here. The father died. Sorry. Consequently, the families faced economic hardships. ስለዚህ እነዚህ አይነት conjunctive adverbዎችን ተጠቅመን run-on sentence ማስተካከል እንችላለን. Another ways ነው. We have 5 ways of correcting the run-on sentence, please. ይሄን ከየት አመጣሁት? የአረፍተ ነገር ሪሌሽንሺፕ አይቻል. ኦኬ what is the result here? ሪዛልቱ ኮንሲኩዌንስ ነው ያለው። ሰውየው አባታቸው ሞቷል። ነገር ግን ቤተሰቡ ምንድነው ኢኮኖሚካል ሃርድሺፕ ውስጥ ገብተዋል. of course that's the result. ለምን ገቡ? because their father died. This is the consequence, the result. So the appropriate conjunctive adverb is consequently, therefore, as a result, resulted in, so. You can just use one of the conjunctive adverbs. Yeah, that I told you first is, they are special compared from the other conjunctions here. This is preceding with semicolon and comma. That's one also here is please. Nice. The other one, what we want to focus here is, how can you just look here? ሌሎች መንገዶች አሉ እዚህ ጋር run on sentenceን የምናይባቸው መንገዶች. yes, the first one, look here. ምንድነው ማድረግ ያለብን ነው የሚላችሁ? የመጀመሪያው የምንለይባቸው መንገድ አንደኛ ቅድም ልክ እንዳልኩት አረፍተ ነገሮችን ማየት ካየን በኋላ run on sentence መሆናቸውን አልመሆናቸውን መለየት ከለየን በኋላ የትኛው coordinating conjunction ወይም የትኛው subordinating conjunction ወይም የትኛው conjunctive adverb separate እንደሚያደርጋቸው እነሱን መለየት የመጀመሪያ ነገር ነው። ስለዚህ what you focus here, you identify whether the sentence are run-on sentence or not. ስለዚህ እሱን ከለየን በኋላ how we can create the run-on sentence, please. yeah, እንዴት ነው እናስተካክል የምንችለው? ወደ ኢምፕሊሜንቴሽኑ ትሄድና just run on sentenceን correct አድርገን እንሄዳለን። this is what's called correcting for run on sentence please. correcting for run on sentence. We got semicolon here. እቺ semicolon ነች, don't forget please. semicolon ነው እዚህ ጋር የምንከተው. So you can just use these types of correcting for run on sentence. I think I'm going to give you some more questions focusing on run on, not only run on sentence but also about what sentence errors. Yeah, sentence error መሰረት አድርጌ some more questions ቀጣይ ልክላችኋለሁ ማለት ነው. For the time being, that's enough. Anyway, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and write comments. Alright, bye.